For our second concept, we will be looking at solving the missing side of a right triangle. So the question we have is find the missing side length, which will represent as x, of a right triangle given two sides, which we see are 3 inches and 4 inches, in the angle of 90 degrees. So for this method, what I'm going to start with is by drawing out my triangle, just so we have a visual of what we are dealing with. So we know that it's a right triangle, so we know that I have to have an angle of 90 degrees, which will go right here. And that mark will just show us that that is a 90-degree angle. Next, we have a side length of 3 inches and 4 inches, so I'm going to put my 3 inches on this side and my 4 inches on the slightly longer side, because I know that 4 inches is bigger than 3 inches. And next, we want to solve for this side. So in this video, we're going to be using the laws of sine and cosine and tangent. So I'm going to put up SOHCAHTOA, which that shows me that sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. So what I need to do is solve for this missing side length of x. So the first thing I want to do is take my two side lengths that I've already given, and I'm going to divide them over each other. Now with this 3/4, I need to take the inverse of tangent, and that's going to give me the angle in between these two side lengths. So the inverse tan of 3/4, which that'll give us an angle, and that angle is 36.87 degrees. So with that angle, what I need to do now is find that missing side length. And what I can do, using my laws of sine, is take my first side length, which in this case is 3, and I'm going to put that all over the sine of the angle that I just found. So sine of 36.87. Sorry. Once I compute that out, that gives me an answer of 4.99 repeating, which I then know to round that up to 5. So I know that this missing side length of x is equal to 5.